Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing analysis on gold with $2,500 above. Let's say with gold, let me leave silver. So I'm trading gold, silver, Euro USD, and it's a Great British JPY. So starting with gold, let me just use support and resistance with trend line. I don't like stress, so for those that don't know how to analyze, just go back to your always start from the one daily time frame. Starting from the daily time frame, so let me delete all those previous portion. Starting from my daily time frame. So and since I'm going to trade what I see, what I know that is appearing on my screen, not going back to the previous market history, just recent market history, which is starting from this fair value gap. I have a support line here and also a resistance here. A very simple thing. So I might trade today, I might not trade today, depending on how the market reacts. So now we are talking about the inside reaction of the market here now. So for those of you that think that I'm wrong, please do well to correct me. For all this Odogo, I know what to do. I mean, we don't know what to do. So during the daily time frame here, draw the support and resistance. So let me reduce back to I'm using daily time frame, forward time frame, and then 15-minute time frame. The 15-minute time frame here is my entrance point, where I put the entrance of the trade. So now let's see what is going on in the forward time frame. Even though gold has been busting my stop loss, that's what has been happening throughout the week. I've been breaking some of my rules and regulations, which I believe I will not be doing it again. So that's why I have to journal it down. If I put it in record, my body could see Pepe, I will calm down. So that goal will not be using my stop loss to finance the market. So that's my uptrend line. You can see it's a very nice uptrend. That's my uptrend line there. So what I'm observing here in the forward time frame is that if it's going on an uptrend, as if you observe here, I have first touch points. Now this second one is a fake out. There was a fake out structure here. It did not continue. And I have a second touch point, or should I say third one. Then we have another touch point here. Again, about 4 touch points. And so what we are waiting for is for the price to intercept the resistance level. So for me, I'll not put any shit. Unless, okay. I observe something here, which is a fair value gap in the forward time frame. It's a fair value gap in that forward time frame. So let me just put it down. For my viewers out there, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Fair value. So that's a fair value gap, but that's by the way. And once again, please, if you are enjoying it, do well to subscribe, follow, like, drop a comment. Even if not a critic comment, you carry on, drop them. Any comment, even if you want criticize me, join. Drop on, no worry, I dey listen to all comments. I chop your money before, drop on. Anyone? Anyone? So this is my 15-minute time frame. So I would like to go back to the final touch points of this trade in the 4-hour time frame. I'm using my phone because I know some people understand that most of the beginner traders start with their phone. So I'm not here to come and tell you to do this and that. I'm not using my system. I'm just using my phone. And please, if you want me to show you how I go well by doing this thing, navigating my trading view, I can do another video for that. To navigate your trading view. So I'll start from that last touch point and draw another trend line on my 15-minute time frame. So let's see. On the 15-minute time frame, nice. Okay. I'm seeing something here. That was the touch point, but no. Kinda. So, alright, this is. Alright. So, man, this was a fake out. So that was touch point 1 in that 15-minute time frame. So this is the second one. So this should be the touch point, even though it's a fake out. That one I won't concern fake out. Because sometimes you have to wait for a breakout and a confirmation. So technically this I should be. And if you observe around this area, like for those of you that are doing SMC, you see what we call liquidity sieve, but I know what I'm doing. So it's just good to have the basic knowledge about it, so in case. For now, what I'm waiting for is a pullback or a break between these points of support and resistance. But this is a fair value point. This fair value point, mind you, is a 4-hour space. This is a 4-hour time view fair value point. So you just have to drop it, leave it first. For me, I don't like stress. So it better man not go trade for consolidation than to go trade for the boss stop loss. So for me, I'm done with my analysis. So the only thing I'm waiting for those of you that are kind of want to ask me which confirmation are you waiting for now. So the only confirmation, if I want to put a little trade on this, the only confirmation I might be waiting for, the only confirmation I might be waiting for is around this area here. Yes, I'm coming. Let me. Actually, this thing get better for you now. Okay, let's highlight here. So around this area here, a break in that area. If it breaks down, then I'll consider selling. But if it doesn't, no. So between this area and this area here, I'm not trading. Like between this area and this area, there's no trade for me at all. So what I would do for me is that I will always kind of just mark that area and keep. Sorry. I just mark that area here. That's one. Mark another one. Alright. Now, So it will be a confirmation for me if since this one don't break out. But the kind of way you use breakout, no peer for me. Understand? So since it don't break out, so I have to wait for this second candle that is coming out to continue that trend. If it doesn't continue that trend, I'm not trading. So let me just put it this way. Say okay. Don't know why this rotation they turn too much for this phone. Well, let me just say I'm waiting for trade to mount around 4290 or 4291. So I put my alarm there and keep. Or trade should go back and break above below 4260. Without that, I'm not putting any trade. So this is today's signal. Today's signal is that I buy in this area here. Sorry. I sell here. Sell 4264. And then 4261. Yeah. Sorry, 4261 for sale. Okay, let me change the first size to 14. And then I'll buy around it. Oh god, this is not concern network. Alright, and then I'll buy around this area here. Yeah, bro. Oh god, that's fine. Now I'll buy around that area and I'll sell around this area. So that's it. And thank you guys for staying up to this time. So after marking my consolidation, now what I did next was wait. That patient and be the cocoa. You wait. So I marked everything. I wait in the next 7 minutes. So when I come back next, maybe after I get my notification, I will come back, see what is going to happen. So my confirmation is that since there is a break of structure up there, so no need to even go for break of structure. So since there is a support and resistance in that 15-minute time frame, I'm seeing my support and resistance. So since he has break my resistance zone, what I said that was for confirmation. So once this candle is done, I put on my trade. So by now I'll have to head into my MT5 and then let's see what is happening now. Mind you, don't choke me on a demo. For those of you where they know how to judge, a demo. So let's go back to my previous balance here. Change the asset. Alright. And also guys, remember as a trader, number one thing you have to do is make sure you protect your capital. Understand? You have about $2,500 in the capital. So what we have to do is for us to protect the capital. If it is a little profit, you come out with it. Protecting your capital by all means is very important. So that's why we have to shift the stop loss, modify it to certain stage, and then as it goes, we follows it. So that is how it will go for now. Alright guys, let's see what is going to happen, whether this thing will hit our stop loss. Let me reduce down to 2 minutes time frame and see what's going on. If this thing is going to reach hit our stop loss, I don't know. No, I'm doing a video for my YouTube and group. See, understand? Let's see. Yeah, no, I got me down. Sai! Obrigado. Sai! Alright guys, still thank you for staying around. Now, small time you go hit our stop loss now. That's what we are waiting for. It's proving stubborn, so there's no how. We are waiting for our stop loss. But even with that, we have get about 1:2, maybe 1:1.5 of our initial this rigs. So yeah, trade have closed. So see you next time. Follow me for this page till we meet our targets.